Hi, and welcome back to Storytime with Lindsey. Today we are going to read all about animal sounds. I thought this might be a fun fall story for us to read so that when you are visiting the apple and pumpkin farms this fall, maybe you'll see some of these animals as well. What does the dog say? Woof, woof. What does the cat say? Meow, meow. The little mouse says squeak. What does the pig say? Oink, 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 oink. And the little pigs say wee, wee, wee. The cow says moo. The goose says honk, honk. Cock-a-doodle-doo, says the rooster. Cluck, cluck, says the chicken. And the little chicks say cheep, cheep, cheep. What do the ducks say? Quack, quack, quack. Do your hand motions with me? Quack, quack, quack. What does the horse say? Neigh, neigh. And the flies say buzz, buzz, buzz. What do the frogs say? Croak, croak, croak. Or Miss Lindsey always says ribbit, ribbit. Buzz, says the bees. What does the crow say? Caw, caw. And the little birds say tweet, 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 tweet. The turkey says gobble, gobble, gobble. And the donkey says hee haw, hee haw. Ba, ba, says the sheep. Ma, ma, says the goat. And what do the owls say? Hoo, 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 hoo. Are there any other animals that you can think of that weren't in the books that make sounds too? This is a fun time to talk to your kiddos about animal sounds and maybe take a look outside your backyard and see what you can see and name those animals and talk about the sounds that they make as well. Thanks for joining me at Storytime with Lindsey. I'll see you next week.